Hi guys, and welcome to another screencast brought to you by buildawordpressblog.com. In this video we're going to show you just how easy it is to insert an image into your post or entry, both by uploading that image and by taking one from someone else's URL or from some other URL online. Okay, so you can see here that I've got my post pretty much typed out, and this is one that I'm going to be using today, and I know I have a couple images to drop in. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to show you how to insert an image via upload from your computer. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to figure out where I want to drop this image in, and I've made some space here at the top. I like to lead my entries or my posts with images, so I want to give that image its own line for the time being. I'm going to go here now and click on Add Media, and it's going to pull up all the images I've uploaded prior to this. You guys might not have this many so far. Don't worry about it, not a huge deal. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go upload the file since I haven't uploaded this one already. And I can drag and drop, but I'm going to show you guys select files. It's going to be on my desktop, and the image is called Heat Cooks. So I just selected that one real quick. It's going to upload. There you go, it generates a thumbnail preview for you. And I'm going to click Insert into Post. Okay, so let's take a look at what that looks like real quick. I'm going to see that by clicking on Preview. Looks pretty good. It looks like it's automatically resized it for the window. I like that quite a bit. Part of that has to do with my preferences, but it should do that if the image is too large. Okay, so that's it. That's how you insert one into your post by uploading it. Let's take a look now at what is involved in inserting one via URL. Okay, so I'm going to go down to this area here where I know I want to put another image, and let's click on Add Media once again. Now instead of going from Insert Media from my media gallery, I'm going to insert an image from a URL. Okay, and I'm going to pull this over now and show you guys. I'm going to pull this from my other desktop. I have selected a beautiful picture of caramelized bacon, and I would like to use this in my post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go copy this URL right here by doing Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on a PC. And I'm going to come back to my post window where it's asking me for the image URL. And I'm just going to make sure this is highlighted and do Command-V to paste, or Control-V if you're on a PC to paste. And there you go. That's how you insert it. I'm going to give it an alternative text. Heat Cooks Bacon. And I'm going to insert this into the post. And voila, there it is. Let's preview one more time to take a look. Heat Cooks. You can see my original fiery picture. Ta-da! There's bacon. Now, what if you wanted to make this image smaller or make any adjustments on it, or have the words, the text wrap around it? What you can do is you can actually click on the image once it's in your Visual Composer and click Edit Image here. This button will delete it, but click on Edit Image. It's going to reference the size of the image that you uploaded here, and you can reduce the size by up to 60%. And I want the text to wrap on its left. Let's see if that did it. Not quite. It's still a monster image. But let's go preview it. See if anything changed out here. It did not. Well, what you can do is you can continue clicking on this over and over and actually making it smaller and smaller. It's going to give you something of a preview of what that text will look like. I think this was just a gigantic image. There we go. So you can see I've selected left for the image, and then the text is going to wrap around on the right. You know what, let's just take this down just a little bit more. I've got a feeling we're going to want it to be just a little bit smaller. Let's preview that out there. There you have it. Ta-da! That's how you create word wrapping effects on your image. And again, we can go in here if we want to and actually change the orientation of the word wrapping. We can put it back on the right so the image lives over there. Let's try that and see how that looks, just so you can get an idea of what this does. And voila. So there you have it, guys. That's how you insert an image 2 different ways, via uploading from your computer and via linking in with a URL. I hope you've enjoyed the Sentry. If you have any thoughts, comments, questions, leave them in the comments below. We'd be happy to address anything we can. Thanks, and happy blogging.